how's it going, kids? This is Dr. Callahan with Week 17 Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log. All right, so today we are going to take a look at a continuation of frequency tables. And so you guys have one piece of paper, front and back. This is the front part of that, and this is the back part of that. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. First thing you need to do is tell me, what is a frequency table? So my definition of a frequency table is it has 2 categories and its purpose is to tally up data. There are 3 different steps how you can create the table. Number 1 is go ahead and list the 2 variables. One is going to be on top, the other one is going to be on the side. Second, go ahead and insert the number data on the table. And then afterwards, interpret the table. Like, what does it mean? So for example, here you have 50 students in 8th grade where they were asked, what kind of ice cream do they like? And so the first one is your category is going to be the types of ice cream. So vanilla, chocolate. And then next, what kind of topping do they like? That is going to be the second one, is going to be on topping. So sprinkles, M&Ms, nothing, total. So what I want you to do is give me a conclusion. What does this graph say to you? As I'm looking at this, it seems like there are 50 students that were surveyed. Majority of the students actually like vanilla, and the most popular topping is either M&Ms or nothing, although sprinkles is a pretty good second place. All right, so now what I want you to do is go ahead and create a frequency table for the rows, and I want you to divide each number in each row by the total number of that row. So then looking at this, you know how many students have vanilla and, or excuse me, hold on, let's take a look. Vanilla, sprinkles, M&M, so that's 9, and the total is 30, so 9, 8, 13. So you're gonna do 9 divided by 30, 13 divided by 30, or 9 and 13, just kidding. 9, 8 divided by 30, and 13 divided by 30. Total is 30, okay? So divide that and write down your number right here. We're gonna do the same thing with chocolate. So going back to the table, the total of chocolate is out of 20, and that's 794. Total is out of 20, so I'm gonna divide that by 20, 20, 20. And then just write down your answer right here. Next, we're gonna look at the next chart. It says to create a relative frequency two-way table for the column, divide each number in each column by the total in that column. So then we have sprinkles with vanilla. So that's 9, 7, 16. So 9, 7, 16 divided by 16 divided by 16. Write that number down. Go back, look at the M&M, that's 8, 9, 17. So I'm gonna do 8, 9, and 17 divided by 17 divided by 17. Okay. And then of course, nothing is gonna be 13, 4, and 17. So I'm gonna go back, 13, 4, and 17 divided by 17 divided by 17. So now what you're gonna do is you should have these numbers right here. So like, for example, 9 divided by 30 is going to give you 0.3. And what that 0.3 resonates to is that it's 30%, okay? Your 7 divided by 20 is going to give you a 0.35. That's 35%. When you add everything together for the sprinkles, vanilla, and chocolate, that's 65%. Now make sure you guys do the same for the rest of this part here. Okay, so then we'll try that. I'm gonna have you guys try this one on your own. So pause the video and fill out this table. All right, let's take a look at question number 3. Okay, it says a recent poll asked whether customer like restaurants' new lunch menu. Complete the corresponding relative frequency table with respect to the total population. Okay, so then for your frequency table or your relative frequency table, all you're gonna do is gonna take the 13 here, divide it by the total, which is 31. Take the 18, divided by 31. Okay, so then when you divide that, 13 divided by 31 is gonna give me a 41.9%. 18 divided by 31 is gonna give me a 58.8 or 1%. So then altogether, you should have 100%. Do the same thing over here. 15 divided by 40 is going to give you a 37.5%. 25 divided by 40 is going to give you a 62.5%. And then your total should be out of 100%. And then going across, you want to add this all together. So 41.9 plus 37.5, 79.4%, 58.1, etc. And then just add it across. Now that we've done this, I want you guys to go ahead and give number 4 a try on your own. All right, give this one a try on car ownership. All right, let's go and take a look at this question here. 50 moviegoers were surveyed about their favorite type of movies. So 50 goes here, okay? 13 men and 6 women chose drama as their favorite. So here is action. So 13 men, 6 women. So then altogether, that's gonna be 19. Drama has 8 men and 8 women. So 8 and 8, so that's 16. Comedy have 5 and 4. So that's 9. And then animation has 4 and 2. So your total is gonna be 6. 19, 16, 9, and 6 should give you a 40 or 50. And then 13, 8, 5, and 4 should give you a 9, 17, 13. So that's a 30. 6, 8, 4, and 2 is a 6. So that's gonna be a 20. Altogether, it does give you 50. So which type of movie was surveyed the most popular? Well, in that case, what you should do is you look at the total. And I have to say, from the total, it seems like action is winning because they're 19. So I would say action. All right, so then with that said, I'm gonna have you guys go ahead and work on number 3. Move on to number 4, pause the video. Continue on. And then the last thing I want you guys to do is you're gonna make a 2-way relative frequency table poster. So what I want you guys to do is you're gonna create a poster of your own things. You're gonna give me number 1, your definition. Number 2, your 2 categorical variables. You're gonna fill out the table just like how I have here and write down the number. Okay, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.